Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 6T McLaren edition, and I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So you'll start on this page as we're right now, and from here you can choose the language and location. As you can see from the list, I'm just gonna stay with English as it is. And once you have set it, you can tap on start. From here, agree to the terms of service. So yep. Then you have a couple options from OnePlus to use some like experimental programs. You can agree to it or not. It just depends. We can just tap on IMN, system stability program, push notifications. Then if you have a SIM card, I think it will go straight through without any problem, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna tap on skip. Then we can connect to network, so I'm gonna select my network. Now yours will probably have a password, so you will need to put it in. And once you do that, it will progress as it's doing right now. Give it a moment to check for updates. And from here, if you have another phone, you can copy the data from the old phone to the new one. But I don't really have anything to copy, although you can try to see how it looks like. So here you would have a backup from an Android phone. So you can actually create it on your old device a backup. But if I'm correct, actually OnePluses come with a program that you can use to copy the data easier and select it better than actually how this looks like. So I would probably advise on using that, and I'll probably also make a video particularly how to do it with using that specific software. So from here we can add a Google account, so I'm gonna put in mine. Then tap on next or not. And now I'm gonna put in the password. And once I have put in the password, I tapped on next, and I'm greeted with the terms of service, which I have to agree to. So tap on agree. Then you can enable Google Backup, location, and a couple other features you can see. You can read them and disable or enable them depending on how you like it. You're gonna tap on accept and leave it as it is. From here you can add a facial scan as to unlock the device using face. I'm gonna skip this. Then we can add a fingerprint. This I can actually do quickly, so I'm gonna tap on next. And from here you'll also have we will need another unlocking method. By default, as you can see, it's a PIN, but you can tap on screen lock options and select either password, PIN, or pattern. I'm gonna choose pattern. I'm gonna draw it, tap on next, and do it again, the same one, to confirm it. From here you get a little message that if you have some kind of screen protection on the front, you might want to reapply the fingerprint every time you change it, but there is no protection on the glass, so it doesn't really apply here. And from here I'm gonna scan my finger. So let me just hold the phone. As you can see, now we're done. You can add another one, although OnePlus will not allow you to add the same finger, so you can only add a new fingerprint. And once you are satisfied, you can tap on next. And from here, You get the voice assistant, which I'm just gonna say no thank you, but you can have it, and basically every time you say, I think it's hey Google, the phone will react and you can speak to it whatever you want it to do or show you. Then you have options to add Google Pay, which I'm gonna skip, but you can do it by following the instructions, putting your card number and then the secret code that is behind, and also scanning it with the NFC. And here basically you have a couple other options. Anything else, add another fingerprint, change wallpaper. We're basically done, so no thanks. And screen of gestures, so that's gonna continue. Then you have actually a nice option to choose how the screen looks like. So you can have the sRGB or DCI P3. Basically they're like color accuracy, which in this case it just went really weirdly yellow, which it shouldn't, but whatever. You have the adaptive mode, which might be probably the best one, or you can have also custom one where you get to choose how much color you want. I'm just gonna select the adaptive one and tap on next. You can choose the font of the phone, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And here, in a box you get a little thing that you can scan with the camera to get like a secret image, as you can see basically on here. But we're not gonna do that, just skip it. It's not really anything you need to do, just more for fun. So once that's done, now the phone is fully set up and you're ready to use it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.